Learning goals. Welcome to this learning session on controlling temperature of pharmaceutical products during shipment. In this course, we shall address pharmaceutical temperature stability standards, shipping challenges, and simulation methods, packaging performance and thermal effects, coolant types, and duration analysis conclusions for safe product transport. For more information, please contact Siripong Malasri, CPP, CTP, CPUISD, Certified Packaging Laboratory, Memphis, Tennessee, USA. Pong at shu.edu. Introduction to Pharmaceutical Stability. Pharmaceutical temperature stability. Pharmaceutical products are meticulously formulated to remain stable under specific environmental conditions to ensure patient safety. Many medications are highly sensitive to thermal fluctuations, which can trigger chemical reactions that diminish their therapeutic potency. Maintaining a consistent temperature during the last mile of delivery is one of the most significant challenges in the pharmaceutical supply chain. Defining controlled room temperature standards. Most medications are designed for storage at controlled room temperature, which typically ranges between 20 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Regulatory guidelines allow for brief, safe excursions up to 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit without compromising the product's integrity. However, exceeding these limits for extended periods can lead to the denaturation of proteins or the breakdown of active pharmaceutical ingredients. The challenge of summer shipping. During the summer months, ambient temperatures in many regions can easily surpass the 30 degrees Celsius safety threshold. Packages left in mailboxes or delivery trucks are often exposed to direct sunlight, which can cause internal temperatures to spike significantly higher than the outside air. This sizzling sun effect poses a direct threat to the efficacy of medications delivered via standard postal services. Study objectives and packaging methods. This study was designed to compare six different packaging methods to determine which could most effectively keep internal temperatures under 30 degrees Celsius. Researchers evaluated a range of solutions, from basic uninsulated mailers to those equipped with high-density coolants. The goal was to identify the minimum requirements for safe pharmaceutical transport during extreme heat conditions. Regular padded mailer. Insulated mailer. Insulated mailer plus foam pads. Insulated mailer plus 0.5 pounds of gel coolant. Insulated mailer plus 0.87 pounds of gel coolant. Insulated mailer plus 1.29 pounds of gel coolant. An EliteEdge RC5 USB temperature data logger was utilized in each mailer. These loggers are designed to collect temperature readings at regular intervals, providing precise data throughout the shipping simulation. The EliteEdge 5 loggers are capable of measuring a broad spectrum of temperatures, from -30 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. This wide range ensures that all temperature fluctuations experienced during simulated shipping are accurately captured and recorded. To ensure comprehensive data capture, temperature readings were collected every 30 minutes. This consistent interval allows for a detailed analysis of temperature trends and any deviations from the desired range during transit. The microclimate chamber simulation. To provide a consistent and challenging environment, each mailer was placed inside a CSE microclimate chamber. The chamber was programmed to run at a constant 40 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, with 50% relative humidity for a duration of 22 hours. This setup simulated a severe summer day where a package might sit in a hot mailbox or delivery vehicle for nearly an entire day. Performance of non-coolant packaging. Results indicated that packaging methods without coolants failed to maintain the required temperature for any significant duration. In these cases, the internal temperature rapidly increased to match the ambient 40 degrees Celsius of the chamber. This confirms that insulation alone is insufficient for protecting medications during prolonged exposure to high summer heat. The oven effect in insulated mailers. An interesting finding was that regular padded mailers performed slightly better than insulated mailers when no coolant was used. In insulated mailers, once heat penetrates the outer layer, it becomes trapped inside by the insulation, creating an oven effect. Conversely, the regular mailer allowed for more free movement of heat, preventing the same level of internal heat accumulation. Impact of gel coolants on temperature. The addition of gel coolants significantly improved the thermal performance of the packaging. These packs act as a heat sink, absorbing thermal energy as they undergo a phase change from solid to liquid. This process allows the internal environment of the mailer to remain cool, even when the external temperature is significantly higher. Comparing coolant weights and duration of temperature protection was directly proportional to the weight of the gel coolant used. The 0.5 pounds gel pack maintained a temperature under 30 degrees Celsius for approximately 3 hours. In contrast, the 0.87 pounds and 1.29 pounds packs extended this protection to over 5 hours, demonstrating that larger thermal masses are essential for longer transit times. Phase change materials and melting points gel packs are a type of phase change material and PCM, and their effectiveness depends on their specific melting points. Different brands use various chemical compositions, resulting in melting points that can range from -21 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. Selecting a PCM with an appropriate melting point is crucial for tailoring the packaging to the specific needs of the medication being shipped. Conclusions for safe pharmaceutical transport. The study conclusions that coolants are an absolute necessity for shipping medications during summer months to prevent exceeding the 30 degrees Celsius limit. While insulation helps, it cannot replace the active cooling provided by gel packs. For longer shipping durations, larger insulated mailers that can accommodate multiple or heavier gel packs are the most reliable choice for maintaining product efficacy. Summary. Well done. You have completed the course Controlling Temperature of Pharmaceutical Products During Shipment. You should now be familiar with pharmaceutical temperature stability standards, shipping challenges and simulation methods, packaging, performance and thermal effects, coolant types, and duration analysis. Conclusions for safe product transport. For more info, pong@chu.edu.